Hello students, now we'll go for question number 3 in triangles, that is a 6.5, exercise 6.5. Okay, third question. Read the question first, understand the question, then you solve it. Here, in triangle ABD, triangle ABD is a triangle, right triangle at A. ABD is a triangle at right angle at A. Okay. And AC perpendicular to this one. AC is perpendicular to BD, that is given, and show that AB square is equal to, first one, AB square is equal to BC into BD. BC into BD. First question. Second question is AC square is equal to BC into DC. AC square is equal to BC into DC. And third one, AD square is equal to AD square is equal to BD into CD. BD into CD. Here, all first one, observe here, first one, AB square. So, big triangles, yes, big triangle side. AC, that is middle one, perpendicular line, and AD, then here, big triangle side. Clear? Okay, now one by one we will go. How to prove this one is using proportionality? Yes. First two triangles are similar, we have to prove. Then we will go for the similarity. What are the triangles for first one? First one I will prove. What is selection is the important in this. AB square width, this is the base here. Select the triangle. In triangle, first BAD, big triangle I am selecting. Triangle BAD and triangle BCA. Triangle BCA. These two triangles I am selecting. Triangle BAD, big triangle, and second one BCA. BCA. Okay. Yeah. Now in this minimum things for similarity 2. Okay. That what are that we will observe now. Here ABD is a triangle right angle at A. That is A is a right angle. That means this one is 90 degrees. And one more condition, AC perpendicular to BD. This is perpendicular to BD, means this is 90 degrees and as well as this is also 90 degrees. These two triangles we have to prove similar. Clear children? Yeah. First, what is here? In triangle BAD. What is here? Angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle BCA. Yes, both are equal. What is the reason is angle BAD is equal to angle BCA. Both are 90 degrees. This is 90, here also 90 degrees. Right here. The reason is 90 degrees. Both are 90 degrees. Next, one more required. Observe, read properly this triangle. Triangle BAD. Here BCA. What is the common in this? B. And here also B. Right here. Angle B is equal to angle B. Both are common. Yes, by AA similarity criteria, by AA similarity, triangle BAD is similar to triangle BCA. Triangle BAD is similar to triangle BCA. If two triangles are similar, then sides are in proportional. That we have to do. Two triangles are similar, then sides are in proportional. What are the sides proportional? AB by DE. Sorry, AB by BD. First one, AB by BD. First triangle here, AB by BD is equal to, what is second one here? BC. BC by then BA or AB. Clear? Then what is the reason? When two triangles are similar, then sides are in proportional. Sides are in proportional. Clear? Then cross multiply these two. AB into AB. AB square is equal to what is? What we got here? BC into BD. BC already we have here. BC and into BD. BC into BD. Clear children? First, we have to prove both the triangles are similar. Then, in similar triangles, the sides are in proportional. Sides proportional. Then cross multiply AB into AB. AB square is equal to BD into BC or BC into BD. That is first one proved. Clear, children, in this? Students, now we go for the third one. The first one same way you complete the second one. I'll explain now. Third one. What is given question is AD square is equal to BD into CD. AD square is equal to BD into C. That we have to prove. Yes? Okay. First select the triangles. What are the triangles? Triangle ADB. ADB select. Third one I am doing triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. In this minimum things, two required, that is the two angles. Two are given already. What is first one is 90 degrees. Angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to, observe what is second one, angle ACD is equal to angle BAD or DAB. Anyone you can select. Angle BAD. Both are 90 degrees. Clear, children? One is ACD. ACD 90 degrees, and second one is BAD. Angle BAD. Both are 90 degrees. Observe one is a common angle in this ADB in ADC. Angle D is equal to angle D. This is a common angle. What is here? Both are angles only. By AA similarity. By AA similarity, both the triangles are similar. Right here, triangle ADB similar to triangle ADC. What is the similarity is working? Angle and angle. If two triangles are similar, the sides are in proportion. What is that? AD by CD. First one, AD by CD. AD by CD is equal to, what is the second one? BD by AD. BD completely, then AD. BD by AD. Now cross multiply both. What is the reason here? When two triangles are similar, the sides are in proportional. Similar triangles, sides are proportional. Clear, children? Yeah. Cross multiply this AD into AD. AD into AD is equal to here BD into CD. AD into AD. That's AD square is equal to BD into C. That is the proof. Observe here, AD square is equal to BD into C. BD into C. Clear, children? What is main thing, simple thing? What are the common angles we have to find? First one, angle A and C. ACD and ACB both are 90 degrees here. That we have to observe in this. Yes? Then what is AC perpendicular given and what is already given. Using that, generally in this whole problem, AA similarity is working. What is angle similarity? If two triangles are similar, then sides are in proportion. That we have to find. Clear?